Go ahead. The morning after.
The morning after. That looks hot though.
Mucho snow, Genie. Mucho snow.
For real.
Look at the cat. He don't like the snows. He's like, I'm out. It's Ray's school over there in the corner.
Far as hell.
Yeah, he has to walk like 100 blocks to get to school.
Mi hermano, mira.
There goes those people gonna clean the street.
That black car would have been mine. Y este mamañero me está tirando todo ese snow. Sabes, malito es un bong. When that nigga's done cleaning his shit out, I'll take all that snow and throw it on top of his shit. Look at this. People cleaning. Look, that's the salt they use. That's light salt. They got trucks, like for the highways. They got trucks and it throws out salt through the back while it drives. It's like some big ass grains. No, es que yo no voy para ningún lado, nigga. Hell no. And that's not even snow I think falling.
No,
That's snow off the roofs. This bum ass snow.
And he just keeps throwing that snow on that car.
Man, I would have blacked. That would have been my car.
Look at the white car. You can't even see the white car over there. Bueno, Genie, there you go. Show your boyfriend.